Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your files to Google Drive or an external drive. Connect your Chromebook to a power source and a stable Wi-Fi network. Open Settings and navigate to About Chrome OS to view the current version. Verify that your device is enrolled in Managed Updates if applicable by your admin. Note available storage and free up at least 2 GB if needed before updating. Restart your Chromebook to apply any pending system changes before you begin. Go to Settings, then About Chrome OS, and click Check for Updates Now. If an update is available, it will download automatically and show a progress indicator. Do not close the lid or disconnect power while the update downloads and installs. After installation, you will be prompted to restart to complete the update process. If the update fails, retry after a quick power cycle and reconnect to Wi-Fi. For large updates, allow up to 30 minutes, depending on your connection speed. After restarting, confirm the new version in Settings About Chrome OS. Check that your apps run normally and that your files remain intact. If you encounter issues, perform a power wash only after backing up all data. Contact support or your administrator with the device serial number if problems persist. Reinstall specific apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store if needed. Schedule regular checks monthly and enable automatic updates to stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.